Hey, you are happily welcome here. So, Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5 will have screens with less visible creases. In the latest post shared on the social network Twitter, analyst Ross Young said that this year's Galaxy Z Flip generation will have a major design innovation. If true, these changes will partially overcome the weakness of the Fold on the Galaxy Z Fold or Z Flip. More specifically, Samsung is working on a new hinge design that will make the folds blurry and harder to see. On the previous Galaxy Z Fold and Z Flip models, folds are considered a major weakness in the screen design, as they appear clearly even when the user turns the screen to a dark background. Ross Young did not detail what new technologies Samsung will apply to improve the fold on the Galaxy Z Flip 5. It is likely that the company will apply a hinge design like the Xiaomi Mix Fold 2 or Vivo X Fold. At that time, this arrangement of components will allow the hinges to fit together, thereby making the folds more difficult to see. In addition, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is said to use a larger secondary screen, with a size of up to 3 inches. This number is much larger than just 1.9 inches on the predecessor Galaxy Z Flip 4 generation. This helps the external display to display more information, operate ancillary functions, such as a camera, more efficiently, and especially, users can play games without opening the device. We hope you like this video. If you do, please hit the like button, share, and comment below the video. For more tech news videos, please subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon. Until the next video, peace.